So the contents we're going to read today is the introduction to the microprocessor, the architecture and the block diagram of the microprocessor, and the 8085 microprocessor itself. What is a microprocessor basically? It is a silicon chip that contains a CPU. The terms microprocessor and CPU are used and can be used interchangeably as well, because in the microprocessor is itself a CPU. Microprocessor are also the control logic of almost all digital devices. It is a programmable device. It can be instructed to perform given tasks within its capability, and the programmer selects instructions from the list and determines the sequence of execution of the given task. It takes the input from the input device, processes the input, and gives the output. Here we see the programming model of 8085. It has three segments. The one segment includes the arithmetic logic unit and an 8-bit register called an accumulator, instruction decoder, and the flags. The second segment shows 8-bit and 16-bit register pairs and register arrays and memory point registers. The third segment is the timing and the control unit. Also, we see the segments connected with various internal connections called the internal buses. There are 16-bit address bus, which sends memory addresses, the 8-bit data bus, which controls the transferring of the data, and the control bus, which is used for timing signals. The programming model here shows the accumulator 8-bit, the registers B, C, D, E, H and L, all of 8-bit, the flag register of the 8-bit, and two 16-bit registers as well, the stack pointer and the program counter. Also we have here the 8-line bidirectional data bus and the 16-line unidirectional address bus. So the overview of the programming model: it has 6 general purpose registers: accumulator register, flag register, program counter register, and the pointer stack pointer register. The 6 general purpose registers are the B, C, D, E, H, L. They can be combined as register pairs to form 16-bit operations like B, C, D, E, and H, L pairs. The accumulator, identified by the name A, is a part of ALU. It has 8-bit data storage and it performs arithmetic and logic operations. The flag register are like zero flag, carry flag, sign flag, parity flag, and auxiliary sign flag. Sorry for the mistake. So after the flag registers, nothing but the 5 flip-flops in the flag register. The 3 are undefined because the flag register is in 8-bit, as we discussed before. The program counter: it is a 16-bit memory pointer register. It is used to sequence execution of program instructions, and it stores the address of a memory location. Coming on to stack pointer register, it is a 16-bit memory pointer register. This points to a location in the stack memory. The beginning of the stack is defined by loading a 16-bit address in the stack pointer register. The arithmetic and logical block consists of an accumulator, the temporary register, flag register, and the ALU. The accumulator is nothing but an 8-bit register that is a part of the ALU. This register is used to store 8-bit data, as discussed before, to perform arithmetic and logic operations, and also the result of the operation is stored in the accumulator itself, and the accumulator is identified by the register A. Here what we see is a die of an actual Intel 80486DX2 microprocessor in its packaging, and that's all for the microprocessor. Thanks for watching.